Alright, hold on. What's the
They have really great
released in September, the new Jerky flip phone. Ready?
Okay. Beer, towel, champagne, weed, pool.
Look at you.
Yes. Okay, no, we're
That's actually
2177. Okay, bring the champagne because we're having some fun of it. Okay.
Kirk out.
Bunions.
Oh.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, no.
Yellow.
Exactly.
Hold
Check
on.
him out.
I got another call. Hey, buddy. No, we're still up here. We're partying. It's getting pretty rowdy.
That'll be the best joke ever.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, and my phone works up here.
Let's all live on the works up here.
Shoes full of burritos.
I won't say nothing. I got some onions in my car.
I'll text you back. Okay, alright.
I love those things.
So gross.
Nice. God, released in September, huh? Where can I get one of these?
It's a little old.
Trader Joe's? Say hi, Summer. Hi. Ah, you look pretty in red.
I can't hear you.